Welcome to the Training Tracker solution powered by IEHS and presented by Antea Group. The training tracking solution requires our environmental health, safety, and sustainability experts to understand your business needs first. We can apply our technology industry expertise and add value to the process. But most critical is that we understand your needs for training tracking. Only then can we configure our solution to mimic your workflow, including how data is input, what kind of analysis you want to do on the data, and what kind of reports are required. The training tracking solution is used by many clients and by Antea Group internally. The process starts with training requirements. Training requirements must come from each client. They can be distributed by position or by individual. Training can then take place, and this can be very different across different clients. Some clients stage training on IEHS. Others have training that they do that is live. The important thing is that any training that is completed is documented within IEHS. This can be done using the system, using an upload of attendee sheets, or in any other way that makes sense to our clients. An advantage of the system is that it tracks compliance. It tracks those who have completed training, those who have training overdue, and those for whom training has not been scheduled. Notifications are automatically generated by the system to notify individuals of upcoming training that applies to them, of training requirements that they have, or any other type of notification that might be necessary. Finally, the system generates leadership reports. Management and organization leaders can view at a glance the organization compliance associated with training. This can be done across the entire organization or at any level within the organization. Benefit to Google is you know who requires what training, who is or is not in compliance, provides notifications and reminders of status in courses, and does so all with comprehensive reports. Let's view the solution now online. I receive an email that's automatically generated from IEHS telling me I have training that's required. The dates of that training, the method of that training, access to that training can all be included in that email. In addition, there can be a link that takes me directly into IEHS and the location of that training. Training content can be staged anywhere. I'm brought to a list of my training. Let's say, for example, I'm required to do environmental sustainability data input training. I click on the radio button. My first step is to create a log that I have watched the video. I click on create, and up comes information associated with this particular video. I have to input the date that I performed this training. And now I have the link to these videos. I have one here that's in English and a second one where this training is in Chinese. In this particular case, Antea Group created both of these trainings. I'll show the Chinese version.
大家好，欢迎收看 SPX 为您准备的 IEHS。
This training functionality can be used for any type of training. Training that's staged in IEHS, training that's being done individually, or just a form is uploaded. All of these depend upon the client requirements for training. If I'm a technical or leadership user coming in to view reports and understand the status of training across my organization, I click on Training Tracker. I choose the facilities of interest. I'll use Select All. And I'm most interested in which facilities or who is up to date with their Cal/OSHA training. The report immediately tells me for each facility, for each individual, whether or not they are overdue or complete with their Cal OSHA standards training.